everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing some lash clusters. You know, this is actually one of my favorite kinds of videos to do. I absolutely love doing lash clusters. This is what I look like without my lashes. It's crazy. I always feel so bald when I take them off. So these are all sold on Amazon, and I will actually link them down below where you can purchase them. I got 4 different sets and then the lash glue. And I got, what is this one? This is 0.07 mix. They're all really, really pretty. And the bands look super thin, which is nice because I do not like a thick band. They have 0.7 mix. And this is a different kind. As you can see. This one is 0.7 mix. And they have 10 millimeters, 12 millimeters, 14, 16 on this one. This is 10 millimeters, 12 millimeters, 14, and 16. So you can get a really good cat eye effect with these. Excuse my nails. I had to take them off. I was actually, they were turning, my nail itself was turning colors. So I had to take my false nails off because I didn't want like a fungus to grow on my nails. I've never actually had that happen before, and I've been wearing nails for years, so I took them off. So that's why my nails are not done in this video, because I'm giving my nails a little break. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go with these ones because they look super bold, and I love bold if you know anything about me. I do not know how much these retailed for. I believe they're pretty cheap though for the packs. That's all I got. Yeah. But they're super, super pretty. And I like the packaging on these. Because when you're done, you can reuse lashes. I usually don't. I just pull them off just because I have so many to review. I don't have time for that. But you could clean these and reuse them. There's a lot of tutorials on how to do that. I just never do. So this is what the glue looks like. And it does have the micro mascara one. So we're going to get right into this. I'm going to scoot you in a little closer so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, really close up and personal. Okay, so I like to first put this on my lashes. If you do not apply it directly to your lashes, it is less damaging on your lashes because this can be quite damaging. I've noticed that my lashes aren't as long and thick as they used to be from using these. Like my lashes used to be pretty decent, and I can tell that the quality of my natural lashes has went down since applying these. But when you have them on, you really don't care. Just because your lashes look so much better with these on that I'm willing to sacrifice my natural lashes for time being. Okay, so this feels like it's pretty sticky right off the back, which is awesome. So I'm going to start out with the 16 millimeter, and you just want to grab all the lashes and then kind of pull, cut it loose from this strip. And then I like to get it to where I'm going to apply it. Like I pick it up, whoop, from this side, just like that. And you do need to get the lash tweezers. You can apply them with regular tweezers, but I do find that these lash tweezers work really, really well. So just go like that. So you see how easy they are to apply. I like to not apply it directly on the lash line, but I also don't like there to be like a big space in between. So just like that. Super pretty. That is the first lash. Okay, now I'm going to go in with a 14. And these are, I actually like how wide these strips are. They're actually about like 2 of a regular strip, but I do like that. And it looks like you'll be able to like use these up to 3 times, like have 3 applications. Okay, I'm trying to do this so that you can see. Just look down. Just pop it right on. Just like that. And then I'm going to go in with the 12, which is this one right here. Just like that. And if you want to, you can just use all 16. You can use all 12s. Like, you could just use one row to do all your eyes. I like to have the more cat eye effect. That's why I'm doing it the way that I'm doing it. Okay, so this one's the 10. I don't like that space that's in between there, so I'm gonna have to put it closer. Just like that. Okay, so that is the 10, and I think I can do one more 10 in the inner corner, so that's what I'm gonna do. Just need to add a little more lash glue right here. So it gives it something to stick to. Okay, so that is what they look like. Super, super pretty. You can see this is what it looks like from the side. They're so pretty. They feel super lightweight, especially for how full these are. This is like a really, really full lash. Like I said, when they get a little dry, like right now, this part's already a little dry. You can clamp it down just like that. I like to wait till it's a lot drier because you can still see that it's a little sticky. Because if you don't let it dry a little before you clamp them down, the whole lash will come out off in like a strip. So you do want to wait till it gets a little tacky. But look at the before and after. Before, after. Crazy. It's so crazy. Every time I do my lashes, I'm like, new person. I absolutely love doing my lashes. I almost feel like I need to put a little more glue at the end of this one. It's on, but it's like that tail is wanting to stick up a little bit. But super pretty. I'm going to go ahead and do this eye off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, so that is what it looks like with both eyes done. Super, super pretty. As you can see, you cannot tell that these are false lashes. Got a little bit of glue stick. But you cannot tell that they are false lashes. They look so natural. Just really, really pretty, and they will last a solid week. I can get mine to last like usually like a week and a half, but that's usually tops. I had some on yesterday. I had them on for a week, and I was in the shower and I forgot that I had them on, and I started rubbing my face when I was washing it. You can't get them wet. That's the only downside, but even with lash extensions, you can't get them wet because it will cause them to fall off. So when you're washing your hair and stuff, you just like put your hair back and try not to get water in your face. When I wash my face, I just wash it like this, and when I go to rinse it off, I'll wet my hand and I'll just kind of like wipe the soap away, and then I use like a cleansing water as well, just to kind of get any gunk that I didn't get off my face. And you just use a wash, like a face pad for that. So it's super, super easy to clean your face and stuff. I absolutely love these lashes. I have been doing lash extensions for over a year now. Like, no, not over a year. I've been doing lash extensions probably for about over 7 months now, I would say. Probably not quite a year, but almost a year. And I love them. I have not stopped using them, and they just have so many different styles. These are pretty. Like I said, I will link them down in the description box below if you're interested in purchasing them. Super pretty. I probably didn't have to put all 4. You could probably get 4 sets out of these. I went a little longer down this way. Sometimes I start it a little closer and just bring them in a little more. So you could use 4 of these. I used 5 just because I had issues, so I kind of overlapped right through here, which is why it's like a little thicker. Normally I wouldn't do that, but because my tweezers had got a little glue on it, it got a little glue on the lash and it clumped it together, so I kind of had to stack them in order for it to not look like clumpy. So that's why I did that, but you could get away with just using 4 on each lash and it would work out fine. Like I said, I used 5 this time, but I didn't really have to. I kind of had to in this case, but normally I wouldn't have. But yeah, these lashes are really, really nice. The band is super thin, so they don't poke your eyes or anything. Just when applying them, don't apply them directly to the lash. You go like a little bit above the lash, like the line. You don't apply it directly on it, because then it sometimes irritates. I've applied it directly on, but I'm so used to using false lashes that it really doesn't bother me. But yeah, I like these. They're super good quality. They're super fluffy. That's this one. It's the NH. And then they have, I think they all say NH. I think they do. So they have different like styles. This is the one I use. It really doesn't say the name. It just says Plume Individual. So it really doesn't say what the thing is other than on the back. I believe this one that I'm wearing was the number 704. These are the 702, which look kind of like just more, they almost look like this, just not as dark, not as dense. And then you have the, see, this one doesn't even have the number. So I don't even know what these ones are. These ones are more natural. It does come with a lot more lashes than this one. This one you could do like about 12 sets with these. So that's really good. Maybe a little less depending if you use 4 or 5 lashes, but those are really, really pretty. I'll probably end up using those next. And then these ones are the same. It just comes with a lot more, so they'll last a lot longer. This one was a smaller set, but they were more bold, as you can see, like the difference. I'm trying not to go like that because it kind of glares. So I'm trying to do it to where it doesn't glare. You can see the difference. These are just a little more bold, and I love bold, if you know anything about me. I also wanted to add, this glue is super good. It kind of reminds me of the Lynx glue or the Clayless. It's just really sticky off the get-go, and you can tell that it has, like, as you can see, a really good hold. But yeah, that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down in the corner below. That way you'll be notified every time that I do upload a video. But until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye. God bless.